Coming to you from Hoover, Alabama, today we tackle Izzo's illegal burrito challenge. Containing more than a day's worth of calories and weighing in over 3 pounds, this burrito means business. Alright, let's meet our challengers.
Go with the minimalist strategy. I'm going to let raw talent take over. Eating a minimal amount of food today, I'm just going to go with basic hunger instincts.
It all comes down to mental focus. Over the past 36 hours, I've done nothing but dedicate myself to this venture. With the mental preparation goes along with the physical preparation, and I'm ready, and I think I'll dominate.
My strategy is breakfast and lunch. Hopefully I can handle it. We'll see. I'm up to the challenge.
I don't need to drink water and all these crazy little voodoo tricks to do this. I'm a brawler.
Do you have a strategy for winning tonight?
No.
You haven't done anything special?
No.
Are you gonna win?
Probably not.
Tonight, 5 food warriors take on Izzo's illegal burrito challenge. Only one will be victorious.
Like Christmas present.
Hey, since we got so many people going at once, why don't I say what your market say goes so they all bite at the same time? Alright. That way someone doesn't get a head start on somebody. Oh my god. Everybody start healing. Ready! We got slow healers down here. Jason's unwrapping Christmas present.
And then you're gonna say the rules? Oh, wait, did you tell them the rules?
Alright guys, it's 15 minutes. If you finish under that, I guess just raise your hand something like that, just start yelling wrong and well, no, if you beat the challenge, you do get a free t-shirt. I'm sure you can have 100 things. Alright, is everybody ready? Jason, ready? Frank, ready? Chris? No? Get ready. Lee's ready. On your mark. Get set. Go! Like the children. Carson was marching up there. Lee going hardcore. Look at Jason taking his time. I think he's just trying to get a free meal. Bring one more hat. Get his hair out of the mess. Chris is already slowing down. This is not good. Jason's picking up debris off the table. Jason's got some lost a lot of tortillas. He's going to have a lot of scatter. He's got to have some stretch to keep that together. Chris all reaching for a little liquid, trying to slither it on down there. Very good. Start stretching going on. No longer having to fumble with a giant.
I think it's time between Rupert and Lee.
We're going to see.
Bad guys. Slowing down.
Look at Carson, dude, rallying.
Jason's home stretch. Home stretch.
Jason is raking the plate together.
Oh.
He's pulling off
Home stretch.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
You're at the 8-minute mark. Look at Rupert.
Rupert is very close.
This man is a bachelor.
Oh, I think he's gonna clench it. I think he's in.
Clench it, dude.
That's it.
Hold on, this is it. If he can clear this last fight, this is it.
This is it. He's
done.
He's done. Rupert is taken.
The winner stands up to the horse run.
Yay.
World's fattest man.
Franklin's close behind though. Everybody's rallying now. Who's gonna come in second? Carson's really close. Carson's really close. It's Franklin and Carson. Franklin and Carson right now. Carson's almost done, but Franklin's shoveling it in. Carson's shoveling it in. Uh-oh. Almost there. Franklin's got one forkful left. Carson's got one more handful. Here it comes. Oh, Franklin's done. Franklin's number 2. Second place. Carson's coming in. He's gonna come in for number 3rd. He's coming in for 3rd. Carson's coming in 3rd. Oh, one more bite. Carson's done. Carson's done. Top 3. Lee's got one more bite left, one more massive bite. There we go. Lee completes the challenge.
What's the time now? At high expectations for you, Chris. Yeah.
The area. 10:25.
At this point, we're just going to see if Altwell's going to finish.
Can Altwell finish in 15 minutes? Can he finish?
Pretty good, huh?
Yeah. I got mine. 10-10.
Oh, God.
10-10.
Good job, everybody.
Dude, we all have to wear t-shirts for it. Come on, man. You gotta do it.
You gotta do it.
I'm like about to do.
Do you have any other tips for the other people that may attempt this challenge?
So much food. Light breakfast. 5-hour energy. The first 3 bites were good. Great rest. Loose clothes.
Congratulations on your win. Well deserved. Good job. Franklin, you pulled up the upset with number 2. How do you feel?
I'm not going to eat burritos for about a month.
What do you contribute to your success in pulling off the number 2 spot?
Oh, I can't do it.
Lots of practice. And
You got time, man.
my 15 years in prison.
All right. Carson, newcomer from California. California boy showing the South that people from the West Coast can bring the pain.
Carson.
Carson, what do you attribute to your success?
Good looks.
That's right. All right, Lee. How did it go? How was it for you?
It was a quick start, but my training failed me, and I'll just live to fight another day.
All right. Croissant well, buddy. What's going on over here?
Finally healed.
He's coming back up.
You throwing in the towel?
Throwing the towel.
All right. It was a valiant effort. How was it? Would you ever do it again?
Yeah.
All right.
You go eat that?
It defeated him.
Alright, who's up to 5, guys?
I think I'm the biggest burrito maker.
So Jason's ready for 5 guys?
Oh yeah. And some hamburgers. What?
5 guys.
Are they gonna sew something together?
Two largest?